next we would like to introduce our popular hot sale main series home storage products we're sharing. By sales experience, this 3, 4, 5 tiles is much popular in Asian countries, especially in Japan and the Korean market. However, 3 and 5 tiles is also selling very well in US market and European market, especially in this year. Both chrome plated and powder coating finish are selling very well in this year, with wheels and without wheels. The market for this size, for this small size 60 by 35, the market now mainly with wheels. And now we introduce the size for the 3, 4, 5 shelves. For 3 shelf, the size, the high size Asian market is 94, including the wheels. But US and European market, the height is usually 76 without wheels, 81 including the wheels. So if you like 3 tiles shelf, please tell us this item number LD 603591B3CW. And for the 4 shelf, the height is 125 centimeter, and the item number is this. And 5 shelf, the height is 155. The item number is this number. And each shelf loading weight is 40 kilo for this one. And now we introduce different colors for you. And for this set, for home storage shelf, we also have powder coating finish. Black and silver is the most popular colors in the market. And we also, for this size, now some of our clients will add this side hook at the side. So if you like to add the hooks on the shelf, please tell our sales. Besides the silver color, for the color, if you don't like these 2 colors, you can tell us what you want. And for the shelf loading weight, we have different spec. You know that different well thickness, different loading weight. For these 2 items, the post diameter are 19, are same, but their well thickness is different. For this one, the loading weight is 80 kilo, and this one is 40 kilo. The well thickness, the frame well, this one is 4.5, and that one is 4. This one, the cross well, 2.5. That one is 2. And the well gap, this one is 20, and that one is 25. So their loading weight is different. Now our sales is make loading test to show their loading weight. This one 80 kilo. Each bag of rice is 5 kilo. And the shelf space can be adjustable, because now we have to put 80 kilo. So maybe we have to remove the shelf space. So please take hammer. Please take hammer first. And this big rice bag is 30 kilo, 30 kilo. So first we have to take the shelf out. Then adjust the plastic clips to the double line. This double line is the mark to easily distinguish the place. So four bag is 30 kilo. So total now is 50. 50. We have to put 80. So now is need one more water bottle. Water bottle. You can take here. So and one water bottle to put here. Okay. So you see that the shelf still flat, no bend in the middle. And this one, the shelf frame is also flat. It's strong enough to load 40 kilo. And this one is strong enough to load 80 kilo. And besides that, we have different size for this storage shelf. So this 60 by 35 is wholesale size, but we also have other wholesale size. And just like this one, 75 by 35 is also popular in the market. And the 90 by 35, do you have sample? Yeah, 90 by 35. Better to take chrome one. And this item number is CJB1018. It's also with wheels and chrome finish. And this one is the size is 90 by 35. Height is 137 centimeter. The item number is CJB1516. C is chrome finish. So this three size is popular size for Asian market, and for US market we have for home storage. US market and European market home storage shelf mainly like 25 posts. This three is 19 posts. So this three, the loading weight is 40 kilo. So now let's start to introduce 25 post whole storage shelf. So you see that let's use same size to make a comparison. Same size to comparison then. For these two, the size is same. Both are 90 by 35, but they are different on the post diameter. You see that this one is 19, this is 25. And besides that, their well thickness is also different. So their loading weight is much different. This one, the loading weight is 120, and this one we just make test is 40 kilo. So now we make loading test 120, and this one we make again loading test 40 kilo. For 19 poster, we just say that Asian country like Asian country and e-commerce market, like 19 posts, because the price is cheaper a lot than 25 posts. And 25 posts is mainly export to US and the European market. And for some famous brands, they will use this bag. The well thickness of this frame is 5.5. For the frame is 5.5. And the cross well, the well thickness is 3. And this one is 4. This one 5.5, 4. And this one 3 millimeter. This is 2.2. So now the space is not big enough to make the test. So our sales is start to adjust the shelf space. Adjust which place? Double line? Double line. Okay. So just a handmade assembly, no need tools. So now the loading test. Each bag of water bottle is 50 kilo. Each bag for small rice bag is 5 kilo. 5 kilo. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8. Sorry, 8. So 8 is 40 kilo. And 2 bottle water is 30 kilo, so 70 kilo. And 2 big bag rice is 60 kilo, so it's more than 120, more than. Okay, this one 40 kilo, 40 kilo. So you will see that the shelf is still flat, no bend in the middle. So that shelf is okay to load 120. And this one we don't have enough stuffing, so now I move 1 bag of rice to put it here. So now the middle is empty, so it's easy to know the shelf is okay to storage 40 kilo or not. So after our introduction, please tell us which one do you like, which one is suitable for your market. So next, we start to introduce 25 post storage rack. Okay. 25 post, the popular size is 3 size. It's much popular in the market. This one is 90 by 35, and another one is 90 by 45. And the big one is 120 by 40. It's also popular. But for home storage room, mainly use this two. It's most popular in worldwide market. The 120 wide shelf is mainly used in the garage room. And this one is 4 shelf, and this one is 5 shelf, and this one is 5 shelf. So I remember that we have 4 shelf, both 4 shelf and 5 shelf for the 1.80 is popular in the market. So the height for this is the rack is not flat, so we can adjust the leveling feet. Adjust the leveling feet to make the shelf stable. So now it's better. Okay, we can adjust this part. Now it's stable. And this two, the loading weight is same. This one is 100. The loading weight is 120 kilo because their well thickness are same, 5.5 and 3 millimeter. And if you like this size, 90 by 35, please tell us the item number CJA 1515, and we can both make a chrome and a powder coating finish. For the powder coating, we have different colors. Usually for home storage, black is the most popular, and the silver, and the carbon gray, and the carbon gray and the dark brown is also popular in the market. And if you like this size, 90 by 45, please tell us the item number 1562. And this one with wheels, that one leveling feet. Wheels for this 25 post, usually 3-inch rubber wheels is much popular in the market. And for the wheels product, loading weight is different with the leveling feet. For the wheels product, that loading weight is divided by the loading weight is decided by the wheels quality. And the loading weight, we have two kinds of loading weight. One is moving loading weight, and another is static loading weight. Moving loading weight is for this 3-inch wheels is 100 kilo a set, and the static loading weight is 400 kilo a set. And if you think the loading weight is too heavy for your market, we have a lower spec one. This you can see that there are difference. So well numbers and the shelf structure are same, but they are different on the well thickness. This one, the well thickness frame well is 4.5, cross well is 2.5. The loading weight is 50 kilo, and this one is 120. So the price difference is more than 10%. So if you like this one, please tell us, tell our sales 50 kilo, 25 post chrome. Then we would know and size and size. So we can quote for you. This so let's for the storage rack, we have popular size. I repeat it again: 60 by 35, 75 by 35, 90 by 35, 90 by 45. These sizes are the popular size in the market for different height